guys, my name is Hannah and today I'm going to be showing you my 2 Christmas slimes I made especially for this Christmas 2018. And they are the exact same slimes, but they're in 2 different containers because they were too big and I couldn't fit them in one container. So let's get started. I challenge any of you to make a bigger sound than this. Okay, anyway, Let's get started. And let's just do it with this one, if it can do it. No, it can't. So. And I challenge any of you to make a bigger slime. This is amazing. Wow. Whoa! That's awesome. It's like a big balloon. I challenge any of you to make a bigger crackling sound than this. Whoa! 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 It's like a big balloon dangling from the sky. I'll get that off, guys. It's easy. See? Clean. The bigger you have it spread out, the bigger your bubbles will get. Now that one was a bit of a fail, but let's try again. Another fail. Let's just try this one more time. I challenge you to bigger bubbles than that.
Wow!
Whoa.